In this video, you'll learn how to earn in Phantom Wallet. This guide will walk you through 3 key methods: staking Solana, swapping tokens, and connecting to DeFi apps. By following these steps, you will be able to generate income using your Phantom Wallet effectively. First, open the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Once the application loads, you will see the main dashboard displaying your wallet balance and various options. Look for the section labeled Solana or Sol on the interface. Click on it to access the Solana options. After selecting Solana, you will notice a button that says Start Earning. Press this button to begin the staking process. The next screen will prompt you to enter the amount of SOL you wish to stake. Make sure to input an amount that you are comfortable with, then confirm your choice to proceed. Staking SOL can yield an annual return of approximately 6 to 7%, depending on market conditions. Next, let's discuss how to swap tokens within your Phantom Wallet. On the main interface, locate and click the swap option. This action will direct you to a screen where you can trade one token for another. Choose the token you want to sell and the token you wish to acquire. Once you have made your selections, follow the prompts to complete the trade. This method allows you to sell tokens later for a potential profit. The final method involves connecting your Phantom Wallet to decentralized finance applications, commonly known as DeFi apps. Many popular DeFi platforms such as Jupiter and Radium can be utilized for trading and liquidity rewards. To connect, open the app you wish to use and look for an option to connect your wallet. Select Phantom Wallet from the list of available wallets and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This integration opens up additional earning opportunities through trading and liquidity provision. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.